Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Disconnect power and remove the battery before any repair work begins. Wear eye protection and avoid shorting terminals while handling the speaker. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage. Expect about 3.7V on Li-ion cells. Verify the charger supplies 5V at the USB port while plugged in. Test the 3.5mm jack and Bluetooth module for visible damage or loose connections. Note abnormal smells or bulging capacitors and stop if present. Take photos of each step for reassembly reference. Remove the grill carefully and use PH0 or PH1 screwdrivers for most exterior screws. Keep screws organized in a tray labeled by location for reassembly. Gently lift the driver and inspect the speaker cone and voice coil for tears or rubbing issues. Examine the PCB under good light for cracked solder joints or lifted pads. Look for bulging capacitors, especially near the power circuitry, as a sign of failure. Check ribbon cables and connectors for corrosion or loose pins. Replace failing batteries with the same capacity and 3.7V Li-ion cells matched to original specs. Desolder damaged components and remove debris before installing replacements. Use a soldering iron at about 350 degrees C and 60/40 solder for reliable joints on the PCB. Apply fresh flux and make clean, shiny solder connections to avoid cold joints. Reconnect ribbon cables and secure the driver with original screws in their labeled positions. Reassemble in reverse order and test Bluetooth pairing and audio output before final closure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.